We'll guide you through how to create a Claude AI account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Claude AI website using your favorite web browser on your desktop or laptop. Once you're there, look for the Sign UP button, usually located at the top right of the homepage. Click on it to start the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. After entering these details, click on the Create Account button. You might receive a confirmation email to verify your email address, so check your inbox and click the link provided to complete the verification process. Once verified, you can return to the Claude AI website and log in with your new credentials. Now that you're logged in, you can start exploring the features and capabilities of Claude AI. If you encounter any issues during the sign-up process, try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser. Sometimes, ad blockers or browser extensions can interfere with the sign-up process, so disabling them temporarily might help. Remember to keep your login details safe and avoid sharing them with others to protect your account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.